discuss about this problem. In this problem, in figure, assume that the 20 millimeter diameter rivet, where we can see here over a 20 millimeter joint plate that is 110 millimeter wide. We are looking here the 110 millimeter wide and allowable stress 120 megapascal. That means it is the allowable is the shearing and bearing in plate. Sorry, this is for bearing. This is not of okay. The allowable shear stress for bearing stress is the for bearing stress and the for bearing stress, and in the plate material 60 megapascal shearing. This is the shearing, and determine the minimum thickness. We have to determine. And number B, largest average tensile stress. Also we have to calculate the T. Okay, that means tensile stress. Okay. Number A is we have to find out the thickness. At first, what we have to do, we know the three type of stress acting any plate. That number, if we normal stress and shearing stress and tensile stress. All stress formula we know F by A. That means force per area, force by area, and force per area. But for normal stress and shear stress and tensile stress, different type of formula we'll use. If you consider here normal stress, then we know and F by dt. That means obviously plate has thickness and the dia of that plate, and shear stress A by and pi by 4 d square. Only dia will be counted here. And number 3, tensile stress A by this wide minus dia into d. Here very important remembering thing that this is wide minus whole diameter. If we consider this plate is 4 hole, then what will be? That means I am saying, don't worry, I am saying that this is the parallel. So when we will cut here, just imagine that it will be that away. That means 3 will be counted here in behind one hole, but it will not be considered here. Okay, and another, if I say this plate, same plate, but here all hole has in series, then also same figure. So here and here it will be same formula for tensile stress. Central stress and F by W y minus 3d to t. Also for this, also we get that W minus 3d into t. If is 5, we'll get 5 because it's tensile. Is tensile force applying here. This is for remember a thing. If you get actually, if it's not in parallel, we will count. If it's parallel or one hole behind the other hole, then we have to neglect to count that hole. Okay, I think it's clear to you. Now a similar problem. Okay, we know shearing stress equal to F by A. If we don't know, but we know the shearing stress. What the shearing stress? Shearing stress is 6 megapascal, and F is unknown. A pi by 4, D is 20 millimeter square. That means F equal to 6,000 pi megapascal. Okay, and but we have to find out the thickness. We know the normal stress equal to F by dt. That means normal stress 120 megapascal and F equal to 6,000 pi megapascal, and unit is not compulsory to write here, and D 20, and thickness is unknown, and thickness will be 7.85 millimeter. Okay, also for B, in largest tensile stress, we know the direct formula F by A. Here F and A equal to Y minus D into T. So tensile strength you have to calculate, and F equal to this F and 6,000 divided by Y, 110 minus 20 into and thickness is here 7.85. Then automatically we'll get the tensile stress and 26.67 megapascal. I think it's clear to you. Though if you have confusion, you can write in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.